In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a shortcut in Google Drive. Google Drive is an essential tool for managing and organizing files, and knowing how to use shortcuts can tremendously enhance your productivity and efficiency. Whether you're using it for professional tasks or personal projects, creating shortcuts enables you to quickly access important files without having to navigate through multiple folders. So, let's dive right in. First, open Google Drive on your computer. You can do this by entering drive.google.com into your browser's search bar or accessing it through your Google Account Apps menu. Once you're there, you'll see a list of all your files and folders. Navigate to the file or folder you want to create a shortcut for. This is particularly useful for files or folders you access frequently, as it saves you from searching for them repeatedly. Once you've located the desired file or folder, right-click on it to open a context menu. You'll see a variety of options here, such as Open, Share, or Rename. Look for the option that says Add Shortcut to Drive. It might be towards the middle of the menu, so be sure to scroll down if you don't see it immediately. This feature is incredibly useful as it allows you to replicate the item in another location without moving the original file. After selecting Add Shortcut to Drive, a window will appear asking you where you'd like to place this shortcut. You can choose an existing folder to keep things organized, or you can place it in the root folder to make it easily accessible every time you open Google Drive. Carefully think about where this shortcut will be most helpful for your workflow and select the location accordingly. Don't worry if you change your mind later. You can always move the shortcut to a different folder. Click the Add Shortcut button once you've decided on the location. And just like that, your shortcut has been created. You'll find it labeled with the same name as the original file or folder, but with an arrow icon indicating it's a shortcut. This system is designed to provide you immediate access without cluttering your drive with duplicate files. As a handy tip, remember that shortcuts created in this way do not consume additional storage space in your Google account. This makes them a smart option for optimizing space while keeping important files close at hand. You can repeat this process for any number of files or folders, allowing you to customize your drive and streamline your workflow. With these straightforward steps, you can effectively manage your digital workspace by using shortcuts in Google Drive. It's a simple yet powerful way to boost your productivity and keep you organized. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more technology tips.